So, hello everyone, this is Abhishek Sharma, and in this particular video I am going to show you how you can convert a date column from string to date time in Pandas. So first I will read this file. I have created this file. You can see here Ramesh, Suresh, Mohan, admission, date and time, and these all things. So I will show you here as well, and after that I will also show you the data types. So you can see the data type here. Like only roll number and percentage have integer data type, and the other have object data type. So df2. So suppose if we want to make this column as date time type, so we can do that with the use of pd.to date time function. Okay, so now I will again show you. So you can see here, like first of all I will show you the data type. So you can see the data type is date time now, but the thing is the format has been changed for recent date and time from earlier. Like this is in ddmmyy format, but this is in yymmdd format. So Pandas automatically keep this default format while converting it into date time. Okay, so now suppose if I will add one more record here, or Ankita 25 3 no, I will put some random text value as text test, roll number 9, then 78 percentage, then Ankita 09. Save it, then I will run it again. So here this is test. Now we run this cell, so it will throw error. Why? Because it is not able to convert this test value to date time. That's why it throws error. So for that actually we can do one thing. We can put errors which equals to coerce. So if you will do it, what it will do, it will make it as NAT, not a time. So, and we can also do one more thing. If you want to keep this test as it is instead of NAT, then we can do one thing. We can put errors is equals to ignore here. So this will keep this value as it is, and it will convert the other values to date time. You can see here object it didn't work, I guess. df2 okay, so we will put ignore here na, so it will not convert the whole column into date time values. That is the problem in Pandas. Okay, now suppose we want to change the format, then we can do that like this dt dot string format time. Suppose we want yy this is for month and this is for date, and with backslash. Yes. So if we are putting this ignore and using this dt accessor, then we can't put ignore here. We will have to put coerce here to make it as a datetime value. Then we can apply this string format time operations. See, so it change the format. You can see here, right? So that's all for today. Datetime conversion. Uh, I will discuss more about this datetime conversion in Pandas if I will get any update or something. So as of now, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.